Hi, I'm Dan Derbes. I'm the owner of AdvantaClean of Lorton, Manassas, and Fredericksburg. My customers are primarily homeowners, and we help them out with radon and air duct cleaning, and then our primary business is mold remediation and water damage. Yeah, I've been in business 6 years. We've had our anniversary just recently. It's been quite a ride. I really enjoy the work that we do. I enjoy helping my customers. It's a service that is needed, and that my customers really appreciate when I can help them out. So I've been marketing the company aggressively for 6 years, and the different types of marketing I've run. Let's see, there's paid per lead, what was Home Advisor, now Angie's List. I've done some print marketing, done some social media marketing, Facebook and Google AdWords. We're doing SEO, working on video marketing because I know that people like to see videos, and it helps with our search engine optimization as well. Yeah, I've done previous videos. We hired some kind of high-end companies to come out and do some filming for us. Those got real expensive, and there was a whole lot of production and a lot of cost involved, and it really didn't answer the need. There's a lot of prep work that we didn't do in the other videos. The prep work being, what audience am I targeting? What am I trying to achieve with this video? Working with you, I've been able to have shorter, more targeted videos, which makes them more successful, as opposed to the videos that I had tried earlier that were longer, more complicated, but really didn't have a focus at all. Well, I chose to work with Frank in digital media positioning. We did a couple of short videos to start with, and I really like the process. I really like working with Frank. One of our initial projects was to provide an informational video on radon testing. People don't know that, it's not widespread knowledge, I should say, that you need to test your home for radon, and how we do it. There's several different methods, but I use a pretty simple method that I just wanted to explain to people what it does, what's the advantage of using this method, how much it costs. It wasn't a long video, it was a fairly short video, but it got the message across, and I really enjoyed that. Our next video was about water damage. Another service that we offer is water damage mitigation and drying. And again, just a short, simple message, what you can do to help yourself and help prevent further damage, and then when do you need to call the experts. And then lastly, we're trying to solve a great need right now that's very common in our industry, and it's finding good, reliable help. So we did a marketing video for recruiting and trying to reach out to folks out there that may have an interest in home services, who are trustworthy, who can be reliable. I really appreciate the educational perspective that we're trying to offer our clients. Don't want the hard sell. I want the soft sell. I want people to understand what it is that we offer. That's been a great process, and in the end, it's always worked out as a very successful video, something that accomplishes what I'm looking for. So I have referred Frank to other people, and if you're considering working with Frank Felker in digital media positioning, but you're not quite sure, I would encourage you, give it a shot. He's great to work with. He's easy to work with. Let him explain the process and see if it's right for you. I really appreciate what you do for us, and thanks to you for asking the right questions and helping us getting in the right direction for these things.